We are going to unbox the Makeup Designery or MUD Beauty Essentials kit. This is the very first kit that the students in the MUD program will receive. They get their books, they get a workbook and a textbook. Next, you have your MUD placemats. This is to keep your station really clean, and that way whenever you have to do cleanup, you just fold it right up. It also keeps everything nice and sanitary. All right, next we have the actual kit. Okay. Inside this kit, you're going to be able to fit everything that you're going to need in there. It has a strap at the top. It also has a carrying case top. Okay. First, you have your brush roll that you're going to get. This is what's going to hold all your brushes. It is made that you can lean it up against something. You can strap it to yourself, but it's going to hold all of your tools that you're going to need. Next, you have your powder puffs. We're going to learn a couple different ways to do powder, but this is one of the ways that are used in the industry. You have your cape. It has a nice MUD logo on the front, and it is to keep your client clean from any makeup debris falling. We have our sponges. They're used with every makeup application and are disposable. Next, we have the facial cleanser. So it starts out as an oil, then it turns into a sudsy cleanser to break down all the makeup that is on the face. Now, once we get to this portion, we go inside and everything is now in individual packages. You get many dividers in the kits. You can choose what you want to go inside each divider. First thing we have is we have two eye pencils. We have a brown and a black. We also have lip pencils as well in that. You get 3 different lip colors in this kit. You get many lip colors in the rest of the kits. So we have Blackberry, Ladybug, and Mudslide. These colors work amazing on people. We have the face primer. It's a silicone base. Lip gloss. You guys will learn to mix the lip gloss with sometimes even eyeshadow colors to be able to make your own lip color. Then we have brow gel and mascara. After that, we have our cake liner. It is a powder liner. It starts out like that, but if you add just a drop of water, it now makes a beautiful liquid liner. This is your palette that's gonna keep all your colors inside of it. It's magnetic, so anytime it gets dirty, anything like that, you can take all the colors out, clean the whole thing out, and it looks brand new right after. So now we have blush colors. We get different variations. At the end of this, you get many blush colors. This is just the first 2 that you work with. We show you how to work with them individually or mixing them together. And then we have all of the wonderful eye colors that are gonna go into that palette up here. There are 8 different eye colors that come in the kit. Then we have our double point cotton applicators. These are a nice tool to use whenever you're trying to clean up any mistakes that you might have in makeup. Now we have the loose powder. It is translucent powder. This one, you also get one that is a banana color as well. Then we move into the actual cream palettes. This is the basis of everything in this program. When you are applying anything, whether it's correction, base color, highlight and shadow, everything comes from these palettes. These are your base colors. These are the ones that you mix together to find the foundation colors that you're looking for. And then we have our highlight and shadow palette, and we have our correction palette. All of these are used in conjunction on every single person that we do. Now that we have unboxed this one, we will switch it around and do the other one. We get lashes, all different kinds. Clumps, we have clusters, and we have strips. So you're gonna learn how to do each and every type. Bottles for water and 99% alcohol. So they both have to be properly labeled so that you know what you have in each one. This is your glass jar to clean your brushes with 99% alcohol. And everything that MUD sends from the company always comes in this really great, cute packaging that has eyelashes all over it and makeup brushes all over it. That's one of the really cool things about the company. So we've got our eyelash curler, sharpener, scissors in case we have to trim eyebrows. You also are going to need hair clips to hold their hair back. If they have any hairs that are coming up into the front that are in the way, you're gonna have to pin them back. And then mascara wands. Now let's get into the brushes. This is what everybody's curious about. What brushes do you get first? Every piece of this kit that you receive is to be built on this original. This is the basis of the kit, and then you get other things in the other kits that's gonna build on it. At the end of this, you're going to have 3 times the amount of brushes here. Brush 305, this is a really nice shadow brush. We have brush 500. We actually use this to apply mascara. That's one of the ways that MUD does it, is we apply with a brush as well. You can also use a mascara wand. All right, so we have brush 320, another really nice shadow brush. 310, 100. Let's just fan them all out for you to see. Foundation brush. 615. This one's a big one. And then we have 210 and 710. So these are all the brushes that come in the kit. We still need to have some orange wood sticks. These are going to be the biggest tools that you will use in the entire kit. This is your palette and your palette knife. So anytime that we're getting any of those cream bases to mix, everything gets scooped out with these, mixed on this, so for sanitation purposes. And that is everything that comes in the very first portion of the kit.